In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements properly in Base44. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to get your elements lined up exactly how you want them, so your page looks clean, professional, and easy to read. I'll talk you through each action slowly and clearly, so you can follow along in your own Base44 editor. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor on the page where you want to adjust the alignment. Once you're there, start by selecting the element you want to align. This could be a text block, a heading, a button, or another item on your canvas. To select it, simply click directly on the element in the preview area. You should see some sort of outline, handles, or a highlighted state that confirms it's selected. This step is important because any changes you make next will only apply to the element that is currently selected. With your element selected, look over to the right-hand side or wherever your styling panel appears in your Base44 interface. You're looking for an icon that looks like a T with an underline. This icon usually represents typography or text styling. Even if your element is not pure text, Base44 often groups alignment options together with text formatting controls, so this is where you'll find what you need. Go ahead and click that T icon with the underline to open up the styling options. Once that panel is expanded, you'll see various settings related to the way your element appears. Among these options, locate the section labeled Alignment. This is where you can control how the content sits within its container. Depending on the type of element, you might see choices like left, center, or right alignment, and sometimes additional options if you're dealing with more advanced layouts. Click through the alignment options to see how your element moves on the page. For example, centering a heading will place it neatly in the middle of its section, which often looks cleaner for titles. Aligning text to the left can make paragraphs easier to read, especially for longer blocks of copy. As you change the alignment, always glance back at the preview to confirm it looks the way you want. When you're happy with the result, simply click away from the element or move on to the next one you want to adjust. By repeating the same steps, you can quickly create a consistent, well-aligned design across your whole page in Base44.